So there was a question on the community recently about emailing dashboard reports. Now this question has been asked many times before, and uh, and it is obviously very clear why people want to do it. If you create a report in Jira, and those of course reports are great for analyzing the information. Maybe you want to know the current status of the project, or maybe you want to know who is doing what. And apart from having that dashboard and different gadgets within Jira, you may want to send this dashboard to someone by email. Now, this is possible if you're using an app like EasyBI, and I'm sure there are other apps that can do it. But if I read the question is from Aisha, and Aisha is asking, team, I would like to have ability to email dashboard charts to a group if user automatically, I guess, okay, to users automatically. I know some answers already have suggested to use plugins. Is there a way to achieve this without having to use any plugin? Uh, Not really. So I recently talked about reporting in Jira, where I talked about using an app like EasyBI or using external apps, external tools like Power BI, where you can pull the information from Jira and then do something with it. You can also dump the information to maybe a spreadsheet. I use personally Google Sheets for doing this, and when you have Google Sheets, you can then write Google App Script for doing further automations. Uh, of course, it won't be real time, and I also talked about why and do you really need real time reporting always. So if you want to do it in Jira, you have to use an app. But I can recommend one more thing. I think you can also take a look at Confluence. When you have Confluence page, you can actually create those reports, not all of them, of course, but some of those reports in a page that will pull the information from Jira. So basically, you can have charts and list of issues or few other things that can do something similar like a Jira dashboard, but of course it won't be that detailed, and you won't have all the gadgets, but you can create a page in Confluence. Now, having a page in Confluence is not really a solution to your answer, to your question. You are looking for emailing, but when you have Confluence page, you can do further things with it. You can do brainstorming on that particular page. You can send the link to someone. You can add vouchers to that particular Confluence page. You can export the page to a PDF. That can also be helpful. So these are some of the things that you can do, and I thought I'll probably share a few things. But of course, you can always use try to use the email subscriptions as much as you can in Jira, because email subscriptions are meant for sending out emails with a list of issues that that is there in Jira anyways. But if you're looking for a solution to export and send the dashboard as it is to someone, you need to use an app. You can't do that in Jira yet. So that is all I want to talk about. I hope you learned something today and you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you very much.